And so, my next topic for us to discuss about is the International Criminal Court and what the administration did to President Rodrigo Duterte. Alam nyo, marami ang nagsasabi sa akin, nasaktan talaga sila nung nakita nila na hindi pinalabas sa airport, dinala sa Villamor Air Base at tinulak paakyat sa aeroplano. And he was too weak to run and resist what they were doing to him. Pareho tayo, ma'am. Noon, ma'am. Masakit talaga noong nakikita ko yung ganon. Not because, ma'am, anak ako, ma'am, ha? But because I am a lawyer. And I knew that what they were doing was wrong. Because they were supposed to bring him to a local court, to a Filipino court. And then they were supposed to present the diffusion notice. There was a diffusion notice from the ICC to the Interpol directly to the Philippine National Police. So, ang dapat nilang ginawa, Rodrigo Duterte, you have a diffusion notice. Let's go to court. And then they should have presented it to the local court. Pero ang ginawa, ano ba ang ginawa? Yes. Forceful taking of a citizen from his country. Kidnap, if you want to use yung mga naiintindihan ng tao na layman's terms. Pero it was called a rendition in international law. Hindi mo pwede, kasi napansin niyo, ma'am, lahat ng mga may death penalty sa ibang bansa, lahat ng mga nakukulong sa ibang bansa, may kaso sa ibang bansa, at may desisyon na nire-request natin pawiin, ipardon. Yan. Because you're supposed, as a state, you're supposed to protect your citizens at all costs. Even to pay. Marami doon sa Middle East, di ba? Kailangan mo magbayad ng blood money. Even to pay blood money so that you can take back your citizen. You don't ever take a citizen from his country and submit him to a foreign jurisdiction. You don't do that at all. That is very basic for a government to follow. So yun ang, hindi dahil sa anak ako, ma'am, pero dahil sa abogado ako. E naiintindihan ko talaga na mali yung ginagawa. At ang masakit pa, the people who say that they are for liberty, democracy, and the rule of law were celebrating. They were celebrating the rendition of a former head of state. Alam nyo, sa ranking, sa hierarchy, doon sa atin sa Pilipinas, former heads of state, meron yan silang some sort of protection. And we did not see that in the case of President Duterte. And then we go to ICC.